Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 21st September 2024. In this video, I will teach you top 13 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. International Day of Peace is observed every year on. Answer is 21st September. The International Day of Peace, also officially known as World Peace Day, is observed annually on 21st September. The 2024 theme for the International Day of Peace is Cultivating a Culture of Peace. The International Day of Peace was established in 1981 by the United Nations General Assembly. Question number 2. World Alzheimer's Day is observed every year on. Answer is 21st September. World Alzheimer's Day is observed globally on 21st September every year to raise awareness about the stigma that runs around Alzheimer's disease and related dementia. The theme for World Alzheimer's Day 2024 is Time to Act on Dementia, Time to Act on Alzheimer's. World Alzheimer's Day was first marked on 21st September 1994 at the opening of ADIS annual conference in Edinburgh. Question number 3. International Coastal Cleanup Day is observed every year on. Answer is 3rd Saturday of September. The International Coastal Cleanup Day is traditionally held on 3rd Saturday in September. In 2024, the day is being held on 21st September. The theme for the 2024 International Coastal Cleanup is Hush, See the Change. The first International Coastal Cleanup Day was observed in 1986. The day aims to increase public awareness about the accumulation and negative impacts of litter in oceans, on coastlines, and on beaches. Question number 4. Where was the world's tallest bamboo tower inaugurated? Answer is Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh has set a record by constructing the world's tallest bamboo tower in Kathia village, located in Bemetara district. Built at a cost of approximately 11 lakh rupees, the tower stands 140 feet tall and weighs 7,400 kilograms. This tower, designed like the Eiffel Tower of Paris, was built by Ganesh Verma, founder of Bhavya Shrishti Udyog, and associated with bamboo technology. This tower has a lifespan of at least 25 years. Question number 5. As per WHO, who become first leprosy-free country? Answer is Jordan. The World Health Organization, WHO, on 19 September declared Jordan as the first country in the world to eliminate leprosy, marking a significant milestone in global public health efforts. Jordan's success is the result of years of public health campaigns, early detection programs, free treatment, and community education. Leprosy, also known as Hansen's disease, is a chronic infectious disease caused by the bacterium Mycobacterium leprae. Question number 6. Who is the partner country for World Food India 2024? Answer is Japan. The third edition of World Food India 2024 is being held in New Delhi from 19th to 22nd September 2024. The theme of the third World Food India 2024 is Processing for Prosperity. The World Food India is organized by the Union Ministry of Food Processing Industries. Japan is the partner country for World Food India 2024, and Vietnam and Iran are the focus countries. New Delhi hosted the first World Food India in 2017 and the second edition in 2023. Question number 7. who has inaugurated the second edition of the Global Food Regulators Summit 2024? Answer is JP Nadda. Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Jagat Prakash Nadda, JP Nadda, inaugurated the second edition of the Global Food Regulators Summit 2024 in New Delhi. The second Global Food Regulators Summit 2024 is organized alongside the Third World Food India 2024 on 20th and 21st September 2024. The first Global Food Regulators Summit 2023 was organized in New Delhi as a co-brand event with the G20 Summit. Question number 8. Melbourne University has opened its first global center in which Indian city? Answer is Delhi. Melbourne University of Australia has inaugurated the first Melbourne Global Centre in Delhi. The aim of Melbourne Global Centre Delhi is to collaborate in education, research, and industry. This is to make education easy for everyone. It will work as the central hub of the university in India. Established in 1853, the University of Melbourne is ranked number 1 in Australia, 13th globally, and 8th in terms of graduate employability worldwide. Question number 9. Who recently appointed as the new Director General of the Narcotics Control Bureau, NCB? Answer is Anurag Garg. The central government has appointed IPS officer Anurag Garg as the new Director General of the Narcotics Control Bureau, NCB. Anurag Garg is currently serving as Additional Director General at the headquarters of the Border Security Force, BSF. Narcotics Control Bureau, NCB, is the nodal drug law enforcement and intelligence agency under the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India. Question number 10. Central government recently approved 31,000 crore rupees for fencing the border of which country? Answer is Myanmar. The central government on 18 September approved 31,000 crore rupees for fencing the Myanmar border. Myanmar's 1,643 kilometers long border passes through the states of Arunachal Pradesh with 520 kilometers, Nagaland with 215 kilometers, Manipur with 398 kilometers, and Mizoram with 510 kilometers. About 10 kilometers of fencing has already been completed near Morha, and work is underway to fence another 21 kilometers of the border in other areas of Manipur. Question number 11. Who won the Miss India Worldwide 2024 title? Answer is Dhruvi Patel. Dhruvi Patel, an Indian origin student from the United States, has won the title of Miss India Worldwide 2024. She is a student at Quinnipiac University, pursuing a degree in Computer Information Systems. In 2023, Dhruvi was crowned Miss India New England. Lisa Abdoelhak from Suriname secured the position of first runner-up, while Malvika Sharma from Netherlands claimed the title of second runner-up. Question number 12. Uttar Pradesh government has announced to set up how many high-tech nurseries? Answer is 73. The Uttar Pradesh government will soon set up state-of-the-art nurseries in 73 districts, excluding Gautam Buddha Nagar, Noida, and Ghaziabad. The aim of this initiative is not only to increase the production of fruits and vegetables, but also to improve their quality. Question number 13. Which country unveiled the first mountain tank named Joravar? Answer is India. India has unveiled the light tank, Joravar, which is designed for high-altitude areas and mountainous terrain, such as near the China border. The Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO successfully conducted the first phase of the tank's developmental field firing trials on 13 September 2024. The Indian Army plans to deploy around 350 Joravar tanks, particularly in high-altitude regions like Ladakh. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.